to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'm going to transform an old t-shirt into a cushion. I have a t-shirt here that I love that doesn't fit my son anymore, and it's a lovely design, and I have a few more different ones here. You could use absolutely any t-shirt design you want, and you can transform it into a cushion, and this is so easy. No sewing is required, so follow the steps.
So this is the t-shirt, and you want to start off by cutting off the sleeves and also the top of the t-shirt, and just creating a sort of square or rectangle, and you just want to cut off the corners. There you go, cut some squares out of the corners. And then it's really simple. What you need to do is just cut off some strips, and you want to continue to do that on the bottom half of the t-shirt and the top. If you're using fabric and not a t-shirt, you can also do the sides, and I'm leaving the sides because they're nicely sewn already. And then I'm just knotting them together, so I'm knotting the two strips on either end together, and you can give that a double knot just to be sure. Okay, once it's complete, make sure you have left a little gap where you can put all your stuffing inside. And here I've got some that I had from an old pillow, and I'm just going to be inserting it inside and then closing it off. And there you have it, my cushion is complete. Thank you very much for watching. Take good care of yourself as always. Bye.